Colin.
The first time I knew Sandy Lemantu.
Hey, and about
You understand?
this trend, you're saying that like dating influencers, like, and then they send them money, but then their influencers are promoting their scam. Why is that?
Yeah. They're like Octa FX,
Why influencers
are promoting people's scams, like the girlfriend stubborn that are influencers.
The girlfriend stubborn, like Abu Queen Lelo, who promoted the scams.
Come on. But they're getting money. It's their daily bread.
That daily bread, yeah. You can't break a table. You can't break a table.
Exactly. I even had this scammer on Twitter who said no, Indoda must scam and betch her girlfriend. Yo. You see how fashionable is scamming.
Yeah.
So the only way it's very unfortunate that the only way to try to stop it or to alleviate this thing of scamming is to make people aware. You understand?
That's to expose, G.
Because even Jesus that time he said, no, there are others of you who will believe me and others won't believe in me. But those who will believe in me, good for them. Even those that don't believe in me, I don't blame them, but there will come a time when they will believe in me. You remember that time when Noah was building an ark? He looked like a fool until it started to rain. Oh, Shandarabo, so the spirit is upon me.
Hey, lawyer. It's unfortunate that it's unfortunate that like a lot of people, they don't believe what you are actually trying to push out there. Like you'll be actually shocked.
Trading up,
like the amount of hate you get by like pushing the truth.
Yeah, you can hear me, Colin.
True. Trading up. You know what? Even that time Noah was building an ark, everybody thought Noah was a fool until it started to rain. Nobody will believe in you until they get scammed.
Nobody will believe in you.
No one. Even people said, hey, I don't believe Noah. Hey, this thing is not even legit. Then it started to rain.
You see, that's the thing. You see, people are defending these guys. Hey, leadership is the best. Hey, watch his YouTube videos. Okay, pay him 5,000 and see if he's gonna tend to you. Then you come tell us. You come cry to us in the DM.
And I wanna this trend, like you must leave your job just to join Forex. It's the wrong mindset, my chief.
These people are busy playing with people and they are busy provoking people. You take a package from work, you say, no, I'm going to invest in Forex. Then you find the wrong people. Yes, Forex, it's a very profitable industry and there's too much money in the Forex. But when you channel it in the right direction, Forex is not a good quick rich scheme. You go in today, you make a lot of money. It takes time, and the only way to master Forex, according to me and according to my partial assumption, this thing goes hand in hand with experience.
Yeah,
and time.
And it also goes to hand in hand with the knowledge that you learn for free, not the knowledge that you paid for.
The knowledge you paid, and most of the mentors, they're using free knowledge. They use free knowledge.
Exactly. Everything that you want to learn, it's already out there on the net. It's already out there. Come on. It's already out there. Check Trading Hub Telegram. Everything you want to learn is already in his Telegram. Everything. I remember first when I started to know Trading Hub, I think we were 115 in 20. Trading Hub, was it in 2018 when we were 115 the group in your Telegram?
It was 2020.
Yeah, I started knowing him. And it was tough that to make awareness. But
you see,
that time it wasn't influential because nobody believed in him.
Me trading up touched a lot of people's lives. I know a boy from my hood personally who used the Falcon course in 2019 or in Corona. Yeah, the boy took time. He studied the Falcon course that was sent by Trading Hub. He saved it. He even gave me the videos. But me, I was not into price. I was like using some other strategies. But the boy, he bought himself. He learned the Falcon course from Trading Hub, and he managed to buy himself a polo. And this time he's only at 17 years old. He managed to buy himself a polo. He managed to move out of his family out of the hood. He moved to like in town. He's staying in the hood. He managed to move his family in town. And I told him, boy, what are you using, boy? He was my like, boy, I'm using this thing from trading. I'm using Falcon. I got the strategy from Trading Hub, from this channel called Trading Hub. And I was like, shit, I've been knowing about Trading Hub, but like, it was still a small channel, at that time. But the boy, put me on.
Why?
Yeah, Flopola Munyata.
Trading Hub. Flopola Munyata, man. Why?
Who's Zolani, my G? Colin, who's Zolani?
Lena Flopola Munyata Trading Hub. Flopola Munyata, guys. Let's come Munyata. Mina, one thing that I'm certain for sure, even this live, they are mentors, they are also in here with fake accounts. That one I'm certain for sure. They can feel now that we are punching below the belt right now.
They know.
Yeah,
there's too many fake accounts. There's too many fake. Even in our comments, you must check our posts. There's a lot of fake mentors, fake accounts of hands, hacked accounts of girls. Let's see, the last picture she posted was in 2021, but that account is active, defending like a mentor exposed for scamming.
These girls now, why Papa? Someone inbox you and tell you, hey, you can make 50,000 if you send me 100 rands. They click their link, they get scammed, or they say, hey, Mina, look at this. I took 4 hours to make this for you. Then you get scammed.
See, another scam that's going on these days. Hey, how people get hacked? Like, you see, me, I'm an IT guy. Just that if we were connected on the same Wi-Fi, my G, and you log in on your Instagram, I won't lie to you. I can take everything. I can. It's called session hijacking. I can hijack whatever you're doing on your phone, and if you log in on your Instagram, I can literally see, what you're doing. What you're doing on your Instagram. So it's dangerous out there, like these guys, Abo show man, they're professional scammers, they know what they're doing, there's guys, you see a fake account is defending this guy like leadership, it's like 6 fake accounts defending this guy, like what the hell, man. And he doesn't block me.
Those people that are a group. Have you ever seen the people who are defending the operandi from taking 1,000 to 6 billion or 10 billion, not million, 10 billion? Have you seen people defending the operandi? Yeah, it's not about that. It's about the skill. Yeah, you are. Which broker can pay you 6 billion? Which broker like the operandi? That's a pure cap, bruh.
The
operandi can take. The operandi can take 1 rand. The operandi can take 1 rand with a lot of 100 to 1 billion or maybe million. Then he posts it and say, "Hey, my students are doing good." What the fuck is that?
Sorry guys, just some noise. Sorry for that.
All I'm saying is that
one thing that I'm certain for sure,
what's the issue with Jason Noah? What's the issue with
Which one, Noah?
Yeah.
I just heard somewhere that Jason Noah's mentors are busy fighting him, exposing him, but I saw it. It was currently presiding over on the net.
On Twitter, but the thing is, a lot of scammers are also exposed on Twitter. You see people on Twitter, people who are using Twitter, most people who are not using most people in Forex, most people now they look down on Twitter, and on Twitter a lot of scammers are exposed. Like everyone, most people who are on Twitter in South Africa, they know you can't trust Show man. But it's these girls, who don't have Twitter, who are in love with this lifestyle, If you have Twitter, so everyone knows that clown is a scammer, G.
Grootman, that one, to tell you the truth, Grootman is a very intelligent person. That one, he doesn't even have a home. People are busy maintaining his lifestyle. Grootman is a professional. Me now, when I knew Grootman, I don't know whether you still recall this. Me now, when I knew Grootman, he was busy selling clothes. He was busy selling clothes, selling petrol and milk, selling this, selling that. All of a sudden,
he was an influencer, that boy. You see, the thing is, he was already been hacking accounts, as you're saying. He already had the clout, that's the thing. He just has he keeps having the platform, and he has a lot of accounts. There's 4 Show Grootman accounts, and he all runs them. Imagine he's scamming people left, right, and center.
When I had a conversation with this other friend of mine, I asked him, "Hey, my daughter, how did Grootman start?" He told me, "No, Grootman was selling clothes. When Grootman was selling clothes, it came, you know, those things of petrol and milk. He still had them, but that time he could exactly that time he couldn't couldn't have access to Air Force, Balenciaga and stuff. So he was stealing them from other people's page, posting them because we knew that no Grootman is legit. Other petrol and milk, it's on your doorstep, this and that. So what he did back then, he was like, okay, let me post these things on my net. You post them on his net, you post as if it's theirs. Whenever you think, no, because I send money to Grootman, he'll deliver this thing. He doesn't deliver, and he said, no, I'm making a lot of money and I'm not delivering to people. That he had to keep up, When people were no longer narrowing their attention to that thing of clothes, he had to meet with something that's currently presiding over. That's what Grootman is not even afraid to tell most traders that, yeah, you traders are suck, you traders this, because he doesn't even respect traders because he knows how he's making his own man.
Yeah,
these things of this a lot of cow accounts saying, yeah, we sell this, we sell that.
Like classic Forex trader. Yeah. Classic Forex trader, I've been knowing the guys. I said I know him personally. The guy has been, before he even started Forex scams, he was doing some other, he was doing these internet scams. He was doing these SMS scams. He was already a scammer before he started Forex. I actually introduced him to Forex, that clown.
Exactly my point. There's this new scam, whereby it's SASA fraud scam. You know what people do there? They have connection with people who work in SASA. What they do, my friend, okay, they know raw because we have connection with people who work in SASA. They go to Home Affairs, a friendship with people who work in Home Affairs. They take IDs. Those IDs, they take them to, I can't mention who they take them. That person verifies if these IDs are safe to use, this not are safe to use. Those are safe to use. They take them to that person who works inside SASA. That person will create cards for them, make them active. You understand? Every month that ID is not active. But you know which ID, my friend. And you remember back then we were in the system of apartheid. Now I don't wanna try to disclose much information about this because man, you know those people that are mafias, those people that have been long in the game, and once you expose them, they are here and they are listening obvious. Those people they go to Home Affairs. When they get to Home Affairs, they try to ask for IDs. You know, back in the apartheid system, people were writing their IDs like in the book. Everything wasn't done like technically, so you understand. So those that are written, those that are written down with a pen, they take those ID. Maybe you say there, you go purchase 300 IDs for 500. They give you 300 IDs for 500. You take them to that I can't mention by name. That person go there, he check them for you. Oh, okay, this person is active, this person is not active, this person is active, this person is. You take them there, they create them a SASA card. That person that's inside because it's an inside job. You take them there, pay SASA card. When are you gonna get 1,000? Because this person will be getting like grannies modern or grant whatsoever is 2.5. From 2.5 you get 1,000. Imagine getting 1,000 from 300 cards. How much is that? And you're gonna buy G-Wagon. Then people are start gonna be curious.
You see, Maji, in this life, Maji, I want also explore a lot, Maji. There's a lot of people are making money. There's a lot of loopholes, Maji. Like most people who make it in this thing, they didn't do this shit legit. Most of these guys, they didn't do this shit legit. It's all either a scammer or you're doing something shady.
Then people are gonna become curious, whatever. Where does Forex scammers get money? Because this guy who went to school with him, oh, this is Malamba, he didn't even finish metric. Whereas that time when that you are doing SASA fraud scamming, then you try to say, no, in order for me to shift my attention from society or community and what, you start to say, I do Forex. Open Instagram account, you write Forex trader. Simple scenario. That time you don't post chat, you don't post or you steal people's screenshots, or you just open a demo thing, you post it. In order to shift people's attention. You just shift people's attention. In true sense, you know what you are doing. Those people are people like, well, I don't know because what I'm saying, I'm revealing big because I'm revealing big files to you now.
I told myself that I don't want to reveal credit card scammers. Most of these guys they're credit card scammers. Like Grootman is also even credit card scamming is also there. Most of these guys, Maji, they're in some deep shit, Maji.
Impressive.
You never see him showing any trading. Never.
Ask him a simple thing. Can we please see your chats? Even if they say you are good at Forex, Forex scammers, you can't be trading for 15 people and win every day. There's no person who can trade 365 in a year and not lose. That's impossible. You cannot trade 365 in a year without one loss or without blowing an account. That's impossible. That's impossible. I even heard him saying, no, I blew this account. I was trading for 15 people. Sorry, my friend. He always win and come. Hey, it's a train. It's a train. Hey, you are getting paid tomorrow. Hey,
why, like, before you even started Forex, why weren't you guys alert? Like, a lot of people weren't alerting, like, how we do it right now? Because us, we're the first foundation to do such things. Why back in the days they were not doing such things that you were doing? Because
everyone is
exposing people, becoming people.
Yeah,
like exposing people or what?
Yeah, like the way we do
it.
See,
most of these guys, you need a lot of mentors. I my DMs,
we didn't know,
telling me
how they did. Yeah, we didn't know how.
A lot of mentors in my DMs telling me, like every time, like I take them in the post, they'll be, most of them, they're like, you die pure for doing this. Hey, why are you doing this? Hey, you don't want man, like what we're doing, that matter, this thing that we're doing, that we're ruining their bag. People are becoming awake.
But you know what people that are unbothered, my friend.
Yeah.
Some others are not bothered. For example, trading up. Let me say, trading up is a cut scammer. For example,